Alright, here we are. Another day for riding. Is my camera straight? The camera check. Was it crooked? There you go. There you go. Now, this is how, if you look at the driveway, can you see the driveway? Yep. This is how. You see the driveway? See how steep it is, right? So, I just had an idea. Normally, I bring the bike out onto this ledge here, and then I ride it down. But I've got a whole grass front area there I can back it onto, then ride up around. Anyway, I'll do it how I usually do it. The grass might be slippery too, so that could be an issue. So, the bike is in gear. It's off. Just first gear, right? And now I pull in the clutch and let the bike roll. Pull in the clutch and let it roll back. Keep the bike straight. Let it roll back. And back and back. Clutch is in. Keep pushing her back. There you go, and there'll be a point there where you can't push it because of the weight. Right, it's just too heavy. So let it go. Let the clutch out. See? Bike's nice and balanced. I can hold it with one hand there. Pretty easily. Even just a finger. It's well balanced. It's in gear. It's not going anywhere. Now, I don't mount it. All I do is pull in the front brake, turn it on, get my left foot ready on the peg, and get ready to lean into the seat, point the bike downhill, let it go. Don't even need the gear, just let it roll. Bit of brake, hop on, like you're hopping on a horsey. That's it. There you go. Too easy. A lot of people, I reckon, in that situation go, oh, far out, what do I do now? I got a 260 kilo bike. I need to get down this steep hill. I've got to reverse it out and turn it around somehow, and I just don't know what to do. That's why BMW Whackers training. BM Whackers training is pretty good. If you've got a big beamer bike, get some BM Whackers training, because you learn all sorts of tips and tricks on how to handle your beast of a machine and all that weight. That's the way to do it. Just coming out of my scenic roads, nice windy bits on the way out. Bit slippery though, these bits. A lot of trees and shit around, and yeah, but nice. Alright. And white lines slide. Bloody white lines. Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut. Now, where am I going? I'm not going that way, am I? Oh, it's saying freeway. I've got to go on freeway, then off freeway. Oh, I don't know about this. GPS is making me go on and off. That's alright. There's no tolls here on this bit, so I won't be paying double up and down. So I can do that. I'll do that. I'll go up and down. Been up and down all morning. Gee, that was hard work, if you know what I mean. Yeah. Now, I'm gonna go up this way and down that way. But anyway, you saw how I got out. I backed out the huge 250 kilo bike. I backed it out, and no panic, really easy, not much force, just nicely balanced, and then I just pulled in the clutch, turned it on, pulled in the clutch, and let it roll down, and used the front brake to control the speed. There you go. There's some lesson for you. Alright people, enjoy yourselves, catch you later.